Welcome, friends. Today we continue our C2 journey. Our lesson is called Mastering Precision, using complex passive structures for objectivity and focus. At C2 level, we refine our ability to use the passive voice not only to describe actions but to emphasize results, processes, and objectivity. This is especially important in academic writing, reports, and formal communication. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. The report was written. The evidence was examined. The policy was introduced. The reforms were criticized. The data was collected. These are simple passive structures. Let's say them together slowly. Now let's make sentences. Dinner was prepared by my friend. The room was cleaned yesterday. The message was sent quickly. The mistake was corrected. Repeat after me slowly. Notice how the passive focus is on the action, not the actor. At C2 level, passive voice is common in academic and professional contexts. Examples: the experiment was conducted under strict conditions. The reforms were implemented in 2015. The evidence was analyzed carefully. The conclusion was drawn from multiple sources. Repeat after me. The experiment was conducted under strict conditions. The reforms were implemented in 2015. The evidence was analyzed carefully. The conclusion was drawn from multiple sources. At C2 level, we use advanced passive forms. Examples: it is believed that mindfulness improves focus. Impersonal passive: it has been argued that cooperation sustains progress. Awareness is considered essential for transformation. Resilience is said to inspire growth. Repeat after me. It is believed that mindfulness improves focus. It has been argued that cooperation sustains progress. Awareness is considered essential for transformation. Resilience is said to inspire growth. Let's imagine daily life. Morning. Breakfast was prepared with care. Afternoon, the work was completed on time. Evening, the day was remembered with gratitude. Repeat with me. Breakfast was prepared with care. The work was completed on time. The day was remembered with gratitude. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of an action in your life today. Say softly in your mind, peace was found in awareness. Growth was achieved through practice. Clarity was sustained by mindfulness. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, noticing objectivity with awareness. Today we learned our 26th C2 lesson, Mastering Precision, using complex passive structures for objectivity and focus. We practiced vocabulary, simple passive forms, everyday and formal passive sentences, complex passive structures, impersonal and evaluative passives. Reflection: mindfulness in expressing objectivity. These sentences help us speak and write more clearly with passive structures, and they remind us to live mindfully by focusing on results rather than ego. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.